guys, it's me, Joshua pa. Kung bago ka na sa akin channel, mag-subscribe ka na. So, andito pa ako sa Bulacan. Look at the houses. It's like that. And that. And this is our house. Chidara. Chidara. Yes, that's our home. So, right now, we're in the facility and we're gonna swim tonight. And forever, we're gonna fuck each other. So, if you wanna fuck, let's get a threesome, baby. So, I like this tree. Yes. Yes, this is the tree. Look at that. Hawakan mo na. So, ngayon po, under na po kami sa motorcycle. Go first. Go, get the bag. Get the luggage. Yes. Umusog ka naman, tangina mo. Wait lang yung paa mo, kuya. Ano ko para saglit? Yan.
Ano? Wala ako.
So, it's freaking awesome! So guys, that's the court. Facility court. Gusto mo yun? Gusto mo yun? Right now, we're riding in tandem. So, yes, like that. Putang ito kayo nalaglag ka. See, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh! We're fast! Let's fucking fast! Yeah. Oh, man. So fast. Yes. Look at that. Look at the stars. Yes. There are those stars. Oh my gosh! So fucking awesome! 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 Yay! Oh! Right now we're in the middle of the fight. Yes, go! Fuck them! Right now we're here in Bulacan. Look at the trees. I love trees. Sun trees, sunrise, rise above the sky. So, guys, pasok mo dito yung... Yeah, look at that. OMG!
Kumain na sila, Mark?
They're gone?
Ha?
They're gone!
Pagkalis niyo.
Oh
Joshua!
my gosh, they're gone.
Joshua! Uy, Joshua, huwag ka na magsigalgal dun, Joshua.
Oh, magsigalkon.
Huwag ka na maggalgal ng gamit, ha?
Magkakagal ba ako?
Uy, tawag mo.
Putang ina! So,
Sino yung nag-drive?
me, the supervisor of this shit.
Bisan yun, ha?
What's in my bag?
Joshua, ano? Sabi ko, di ba pinisan mo?
Ano nag-aarap ko, diba? Ang galing ba? Ito pala yung pabango ko galing sa Watson. Yes. Body pants.
Joshua!
Nag-aarap ko, diba?
Ganda pa naman ang pangalan mo, Joshua. Tangina ni Joshua, apakabagal.
Ano nag-aarap ko, diba?